So will migrating Canadians save the Alberta real estate market? Let's find out. Now, here are the major factors that affect the real estate market. Income, so how much house people can afford. Now, interest rate is a part of this because houses tend to be priced in payments, or people qualify to buy houses on payments as a percentage of their income rather than on the sticker price of the house. So then rising income is the second one. Rising income, when the incomes rise, people can afford more housing, and so then house prices tend to climb. Usually the balance is around a third, 33%. Usually a balancing point is around 33% or a third of income, before tax income as the cost of ownership of a home. And the final one is population growth. In Canada, the primary effect here is net in-migration or net out-migration. So basically, are more people moving in than moving out, or are more people moving out than moving in? So just before we jump into the meat of our story here, my name is Glenn Heslop. I'm a local realtor in the Airdrie, Calgary area. So if you're looking to make a move in this area, reach out. My contact information is down below. I just love helping people to make their real estate moves. And make sure you subscribe to this channel and just check the bell icon, so as we come up with more good information, we'll just update it with new videos on this channel. Okay, back to our story. So the Calgary Herald recently published this article. It's kind of an interesting article. Analyzing the data, they're basically making the case that the BC and Ontario real estate markets, the housing markets, are likely to be a little bit rocky due to a bit of a stagnant economy, rising inflation, and hikes in interest rates. But meanwhile, in Alberta, it looks like the real estate market is probably on track for modest growth. So why? So one of the reasons is a major rebound in the oil patch. Read jobs. And the other part is that Alberta has a more diversified economy than ever before. So both things are coming together, a healthy oil patch and a vibrant, diversified economy in a whole bunch of different sectors. So what's happening then? Is Alberta experiencing in-migration or out-migration? The answer is pretty resounding, net in-migration in a pretty big way. This year, we've had 33,000 more people move into the province than have moved out of the province. So that's up like 3,000% over the same period last year. That's fantastically amazing. And if you look at the average household size in Alberta is about 2.6 people, that's about 13,000 new homes on average that would be required for that many people. On a province of about 4.5 million people, that is a very, very significant number of new people. So I think that's a major factor that's going to affect the real estate market and keep us from experiencing in Alberta the downturn that many of our Canadian family will be experiencing other provinces, particularly Ontario and British Columbia. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, leave your comments down below. I'm interested to hear what your experience is. Are you seeing people move from one part of Canada to the other? Are you seeing people move in or out of the part of Canada you live in? And include your questions. I'll do my best to go answer all the questions that are posted. And make sure you subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you're making a move to Alberta or making a move within Alberta, I'm a local realtor here. My contact details are in the comments down below.